Hi, I'm Michael with Menard Jewelers. Today I'm going to be going over some different metals that I was asked about after the last metals video. If you like videos like this, please subscribe. Click that bell icon to get more notifications when videos pop up. So some of the metals I was asked about is I was asked to follow up about the carat and what that exactly means and what 24 karat is. So the carat is broken up into 24. So 24 karat is pure gold. And since we didn't make any jewelry out of 24 karat, it's broken into 10 karat, your 14 karat, and your 18 karat. So 10 karat would be 10 24 parts, 10 parts of 24 of gold, 14 parts of gold, and 18 parts of gold. So that's kind of like your 24. That's where the 24 karat gold comes from. Is it's broken up into 24 parts, and so that's just kind of what that is. Hope that kind of helps explain that a little bit more, or how they come up with the 10K and the 14 and 18K. And in my other video, I kind of went over the percentages of all that and what the additional metal is that's added in there. Gold filled. If you have gold filled, it's a non-precious metal. It's a base metal that is covered in gold. So you'll often see a stamp that's 1/20th, or sometimes you'll see a GF. That means it's gold filled. So it's gold plated, whatever they used as a base metal. Usually what will happen is that plating or that metal on the outside will wear off, and then you'll have like a gray metal underneath. It's better than electroplated gold, but it does wear out pretty quick. And a lot of times you'll see the kiosk in the mall will usually have gold filled stuff. I know the first chain that I bought for my wife was a gold filled chain because I was a teenager, didn't know any better. I thought I was buying gold because it said it was 1/20th gold. Sounded great to me, but watch out for that. Vermeil, here's another tricky one. So vermeil is actually plated silver. So they'll take a silver ring. I had a lady in today. She had a vermeil ring, and it's silver and it's plated gold. With her ring, I was able to just take a silver polishing cloth and clean it up, and it was bright yellow again. You got to be careful taking those to a jeweler, because like the ring today, it was stamped silver, and if you give it to a jeweler and say, I need this polished, and he takes it to his polish machine, it's going to take that yellow plating off, and then you'll have a white silver ring. If that's what you want, great, but just be aware that your vermeil is just plated silver. To be called vermeil, it doesn't matter how they plate it. They can electroplate it, they can electroform it, which is a little thicker, or they can mechanically attach it. So however it's attached to that silver, doesn't matter, it's still called vermeil. The last one somebody asked me about was pewter. Is pewter lead? Pewter is no longer lead. It was actually, what was the metal that they switched it to? Tin and copper. Tin, copper, and antimony. So those three metals are what make pewter now. So antimony is a type of a soft metal. I'm guessing that's what they probably replaced the lead with, and then they mix that with tin and copper, and that's what today's pewter is made out of. It's still very soft. I've been able to use the laser to fix a couple of charms over the years. Sometimes people get little charms made out of pewter. They're very difficult to work with because it's such a low melting, soft metal. I have done it probably 3 times in the last 13 years. But pewter is not lead anymore. So pewter's not lead. Vermeil is actually silver. Gold filled is one step up from costume because it is actually gold. Sometimes if you have gold filled, sometimes the pawn shops will buy it, but it's only a fraction of gold, so you're not going to get a whole lot for it. You're talking pennies on the dollar. And then the carats are broken up into the 24 parts to get your 10, 14, and 18. I hope that helps. I'm Michael from Menard Jewelers. Until next time,